You searched how to buy shares of Highview Merger Corp. Highview Merger Corp is listed on NASDAQ under the ticker HVMC, and this video will show a neutral, educational walkthrough. This is for educational purposes only and not financial advice. To buy HVMC, you need a broker account. I use eToro as the example platform. After registering, you will need to verify your account, usually by uploading an identity document, and add funds to your balance before you can place an order. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker HVMC to find the correct listing. Confirm the result shows Highview Merger Corp and select that entry to open the stock page. On the stock page, review the basic company information and the price chart to confirm this is the correct asset. Make sure the listing shows NASDAQ and the HVMC ticker before proceeding. Click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to allocate, then review the order details and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, your order may queue or convert to a market order at the next open, and if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. After confirmation, your HVMC position will appear in your portfolio. For the example link and more details, check the description below.